Okay. It was a wonderful experience to be a part of this HR Awards. Got to know a lot of new things. I was really impressed by the way that new and young HR managers, are doing excellent things, especially in terms of employee engagement and employee retention. The new things that they are doing, whatever I learned, seems to help the future of India HR as a whole. I think this type of conferences are a very good platform to share the experiences, share the learnings, and especially the young HR leaders who are doing a lot. They should also come forward and share in terms of the experiences, the results with their peers. Thank you.
Okay, this is Dr. Ranjeev Manrao. I have been truly privileged coming to this program. Bhavesh is a good friend of mine and he invited me, and I feel honored that I came to this awards function. Not only about an award, but which is a motivating factor for every professional to work better in life. We learnt a lot of things. Dr. Prashant spoke about 3 E's, he spoke about 3 S, and Nabomita ji spoke wonderfully well throughout the program, and more than anything else we had to meet all the big experts from the industry who shared knowledge. Dr. Deepak Deshpande was there. All the big people in the industry who shared. I could see awards being given to real good people, which is something, a big motivation for each professional who can. I would rather recommend all the professionals to join hands, bring out their talent to the world through platforms like this, and do a big value addition to the society. Thank you so much. I'm really privileged to be at this event. Thank you.
Hi, this is Shruti Bhatta here. I am a part of FedEx Express. I am an HR specialist over there, and it's great to be a part of the event. I was specially invited from the BMGI team. Some takeaways probably which I would definitely like to share is which Prashant mentioned in the event. How do we energize ourselves? How do we empower ourselves and move ahead on the path of the HR to take things further? So definitely it's a good forum for all of us to network over here, come up with various innovations and share that with the HR forum out over here. So great experience and great learning that I have had, and a good exposure of networking with my HR colleagues.